active, all the online people. Chalo, let's see, guys. So let's start with the concept of today, which we are dealing on yesterday. So yesterday I had shown you one particular app, I meant to say some website where you can debug the things, or you can go line by line with the flow, right? Remember? So suppose here, let's start fastly the things, guys, because we have to complete the debugging today. So let's go for com dot day 20, day 32, 33. Yeah. Now let's see, guys. Now I'm creating a class, and I'm creating a class as a logic class. And suppose inside this logic class, I'm writing any logic here. Suppose here main is there. If I'm writing int array, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. I'm creating one more array. Right, int array of arr2 of some empty array will be there. Or let's write a new array, new int of same length as the first one. And we are doing the copy of all those. So int I equals to 0, I is less than ar2 dot length. Everybody concentrate. And then I'm writing here I plus plus. ar1 of I is copied with, ar1 of I is copied with copied in ar2 of I. And that's it. We are printing the thing. So for, yeah. So I equals to 0. I is less than arr2 dot length. Everybody concentrate. And then we are writing here I plus plus. And then we are writing sys out of, or this one, like arr2 of I plus this one. Suppose this is a code which is little bit of complicated as per your terms, or if it will be easy. Now we have one particular platform known as, I meant to say some website is there. Yeah, some website is there which is known as Java Visualizer. Now if I go for Java Visualizer here, let's go for the Java Visualizer here. Right, let's go for Java Visualizer. So you can see Java Visualizer is there. If the people don't have the idea, again I'm telling you, you have to write Java Visualizer. You will get the first one, computer science circles. Click on that. Just make sure yourself, guys, that if you are using scanner, remove the scanner and write the own value. Suppose these value as I can take with the user also, right? But in visualizing the things, you should have to give your own values. Because scanner right now you have to wait and you have to work. Now everybody concentrate. Now when I visualize the execution, guys, everybody see. It will show you in this phase, like one program. Now what we have to do, now we have to click on packages. Yesterday I told you about it. The package is there, guys, right? Package will not work because it's not going to reflect. So remove the package, remove the scanner, and then try to visualize the execution here. Now everybody concentrate here. Now try to visualize it. Now you can see it is working. Now see, guys, how many steps it is following. How many? 44. That's what yesterday I told you, that debugging is for what purpose? Debugging is for checking how many lines of code are there. We can reduce that number of lines or not. Yes, I mean to say for checking. What are the checking things are there? Version compatibility, lines of the code. Right now see how many lines it is executing. 44. Is it possible to reduce this line 44 to something else? Huh? Yes, it's possible. I will show you right now. I will show you for this one. Now, suppose this is the code. I am giving you the view right now because see, working scenario view I cannot give you, na. Project scenario I cannot give you, but based on that, what you will going to achieve, I'm providing you right now. So suppose a developer had developed a code, right? Just understand. Online people, are you seeing the screen, guys? Yeah. So right now you can see a developer had developed one particular application. Everybody concentrate. The developer had developed one particular application which is taking a set of lines of code, multiple set lines of the code, right? Now, your manager had given you one task that, buddy, do one thing, check the version compatibility, version terms, check the code cost cutting term, code cost cutting. Code cost cutting means can we reduce the lines of the code or not, right? Any bugs, check out the bugs, maybe the possibility of bugs are there. Now, all those things, for doing all those things like going line by line, for this one, I have to go line by line code we have to run. And it will take a time taking process. It's a time taking process, guys. Why time taking process? Because maybe the lines of the code can be 10,000, 20,000. We don't have the idea, but I need to check only the things which is effective. Suppose there is a bank application, guys. In the bank application, are you going to check variables and all those? No. Version compatibility means if you are in Java 8, tell me one thing, guys. Be clear with one idea. If you are in Java 8 or you are in Java 21, variable name is same now. Are you writing in the Java 8 also? I mean to say before Java 8 also, are you writing private int some private string bank name? Bank name, are you writing in this manner? In the both version you are going to write only this manner, na? Right or not? Reply, guys. Definitely in both the version we are writing what? The same variable. So we are not going to check the variable. We are not going to check the variable. Then what we are going to check? We are going to check the functionalities. We are going to check the functionalities. Functionalities. What are the functionality? Before any code having if else, can we reduce it with the filter? If else will give you Boolean result, guys. Can you replace it with the filter with stream? Can you able to do it? Yes. In that manner only, think about the functionalities. So functionalities means what, guys? Methods, right? Functionality means methods. Inside the method, you are writing the logic of if else, right or not? Yes. Now, I have to not go line by line. I have to go for the certain place functionality. And the possibility will be lines of the code can be 10,000. Manual 10,000 or lines of the code will be there. And the manual functionality can affect or take a very time taking process. Are you understanding? That's why, suppose right now a developer had developed this application, particular application, and right now the manager had given you the task that check the version compatibility, cost cutting process or bugs if any. Now you're not going to do run. Now you're not going to run the program line by line. What you had done? Suppose right now you had you are using here Java visualizer. Now you had written here. Now instead of manually going line by line, you are working somewhat in this manner forward. Now when you click on forward, one array is created. Array 1, AR1 with all the arrays will be there. Okay. Now right now where is the AR1 is there. Now you can see AR2 is created with the same length. Right now, do we have any value? No. We don't have any value, but the array is created from 0 to 5, na? With the same length, right? Am I right or not? Now see here, when I'm going for the next line, guys, you can see, it is taking ARR of I, means AR1 of, just a minute. Yeah. Let's see. Now I'm writing a visualize execution. Everybody understand? Come first. Now click on forward. When you click on forward, one array is created, one new array is created. Now it's going to the for loop. I equals to how much, guys? 0. Means AR1 of 0. AR1 of 0 is assigned in what, guys? AR2 of 0. Means AR1 of 0. Right now, AR1 of 0 is assigned in AR2 of 0 now. So when you click on forward, you can see here, guys, everybody, the 1 is assigned in this place. Right? In the same manner, if you go forward, I equals to 1. AR1 value assigned in AR2. You can check out. Right? AR3 value assigned in second index. Right or not? In this manner, you can see it is visualizing the thing. Okay, fine. Now you find out the bugs. One bug is there, like it's very time taking process and the lines of the code are very large. Am I going fast? No. Is it fine? Okay. Now we found out that lines of the code are very large. 44 lines of code is not you can say that capable for this type of coding. It should be less. Now you are reading it. Now you can see it can read the value from which place? I equals to 1. It is reading the value from this place. This place. You are getting the value here. You can see. Now you understood 44 set of lines of codes are there. Now tell me, can you now your functionality is done. Means what is your main purpose for checking this particular logic now? Your main purpose is checking this logic, how it is copying. Are you worried about these variables? No. Are you worried about how it is printing? No. You are just worried about let me check the logic, right? But the issue is right now, can you stop the program? No. For ending this program, you have to go, sir, I can stop now, I can go back. It's go back is not the solution. I am telling you, it is going to terminate? No. You have to click up to 44 line. Up to 44 line right now, you have to click on this one. And then you can see it is terminated. Program terminated. In between, you cannot go. Though you find out the logic, your work is completed. The logic is of how many lines, guys? 3 lines. Code can be of the 1,000 or 10,000 line also? Yes. How many more lines you have to go? 997, suppose 9,997 lines you have to go or not? For terminating this program, I have to go each and every lines or not? The first drawback with the online online debugger is these things. Or any debugging, if people will provide you, the issue is that. First issue, that it is time taking process. I had selected this debugging for what purpose? So that it can reduce my time now. Guys, what happened? सुबह सुबह तुम लोग ऑफ रहते हो क्या? My manager had given me what? Run the program. Run, I mean to say, line by line, right? Line by line. Manually, if you do line by line, what will happen? 10,000 code, can you do it on time? That's why you had selected online online visualizer. Yes. Now online visualizer have the issue. The issue is what? You find out some mistake. Mistake is 44 line of the code should not be there. Now you had seen this program in online visualizer and you find out that 44 lines of the code is not sufficient. It's not good. We can reduce it also. We can reduce it also. Sir, how? I will tell you. Don't worry. Don't think much about it. Now, but the problem is online visualizer is taking how much lines of the code? All the 44 line will be there. Then only it will terminate it or not. But I need only which logic? This logic now. It's again time taking process or not? That's why we are not going to use these things, right? We are going to use what? Tell me, yesterday what we had started? Debugging. And which debugging? Our local platform debugging, which is Eclipse, VS Code or anything. Right? Let's see guys, everyone. Now, instead of writing this line of code, see, first of all, result is same. If you are going to run this program, you will get the answer in somewhat in this manner. You can check out. Console का है. Let's see. You can see the answer, guys, right now. Run the program. You will check the answer. Right now, answer is coming in this way. Yes. Now you had visualized that there is some issue with this code. I can reduce it. Can you reduce it? Huh? Can you reduce it? Tell me how. Done. Let's see. Run the program. Is it copy of शायद काम करेगा? Can we reduce the program? Yes. You can see. Now how many lines are there? 44 lines, 44, I mean to say 44 execution process will reduce to some little process or not? Yes. So, by doing the debugging, you will get this type of result. And that's why the debugging is used. Sir, how arrays.copy will work? If it will take all the element from first array and store inside the new array up to the length of first array. First array element is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will take all the element of array 1, store inside the array 2, up to how much length, guys? AR dot length minus 1. AR dot length is how much? 6. Or it will take all the value. So reduce this minus 3. How many element it will take from first array, guys? How many element it will take? Huh? 3. You can see. Are you getting 0, 0, 0 anything? No. It reduce the memory or not? Yes. That's why the arrays.copyof is the most effective method which internally, if you see internally, all the collections are using for the growable nature. Okay. Now tell me one thing last. Array list, everybody know about the array list? Okay, array list, all the collections are growable in nature. Is the size is fixed? No. If it will reach to the limit size, it will increase to the double or not? How it will increase? And when it is increasing the size, it is copying all the element which you had stored in the new place or not? This is the internal process, guys. Right? Remember that they will ask you how growable nature work. So instead of writing manual coding, you can do those. Now let's start. So we had understood about the drawbacks of the online terms, and as well as the second drawback is directly we know we cannot put our source code in the public platform. Right? So let's start with the debugging concept, how we can debug and how we can visualize it. Everybody please concentrate here, guys. It's an important one. Suppose right now we had written a class as calculator class is there. Suppose calculator class is there. Calculator class is there. Everybody concentrate. Calculator class is there. Okay, 1 minute. I need magnifier for that because lots of things are there. Magnifier. So let's see, guys. Online people be active. Now I'm writing here main method. I'm writing here main method. I'm writing here, and I'm writing here first value int a equals to 10. Okay, just write a system.sys out of. Everybody concentrate here. Sys out of. I'm writing here. Program started. Program started. I'm writing. Okay, great. And then a logic will be there. Logic executed, or logic is ongoing, something like that. Now let's write here, guys, one logic, a simple logic. Int a equals to 10, b equals to 20. B equals to 20. Now I'm writing here int result equals to something like a plus b. And I'm writing here logic as if condition, if result equals to suppose 25, then I'm writing here verified, some verified, verified, verified. I'm writing this one. And then end of the program. Everybody understand? End of the program. End of the program. Okay, done. So my class, I had created one class with a subset of logic is available, right? Some set of logic is available. Now I have to debug. Sir, why necessary to debug, guys? Like it's a simple program. I can tell verbally the answer. The codes can be large. This is just a demo. Now everybody concentrate here. What is going to happen here? First of all, for debugging purpose, everybody concentrate. For debugging, we should have to, everybody concentrate, we should have to switch the environment. Switch the environment. This is not environment variable of Spring, right? Don't merge it. Switch the environment from particular coding to debugging. Right? So for debugging, guys, we should have to switch the environment. Here in this environment, you can do the coding here, but we cannot do the. We cannot do the debugging in the same. We should have to switch the environment. Sir, how to switch the environment? For switching the environment, guys, there is one shortcut key which you should have to know. That is function plus, right? Function plus F11. This is the shortcut key where you can switch from what environment, guys? Coding to debugging, right? Coding to debugging. Debugging environment. What is the shortcut key name, guys? Function F11. Remember that, right? No need of notes, nothing there. Just see the things how it is working. Function, don't recognize it, you will learn it. Because we'll do it from up to 9:40, 8:45. We'll do it, all those things. Back to back. No need of notes after that. You can debug it. Now everybody understand. Now you can see, guys, everyone. First of all, if I'm going to press F11, function F11, everybody see this execution result right now. If I'm going to press function F11, online people, see here, right? You can see. It is printing the result or not? See the result right now. I'm pressing function F11. It is giving me the result or not? Sir, where is debugging environment? Right now, function F11, if you directly run, if you directly apply in your code, everybody concentrate in your code, you will get the execution result. You will get the execution result. Then, sir, for enabling this, everybody see, for enable the debugging, right? We should have to, everybody concentrate, we should have to create one breakpoint. What is the name, guys? Breakpoint. We should have to create one breakpoint, guys. Without this breakpoint, the particular debugging environment will not work. See here, guys. How to create the breakpoint, everybody understand. How to create the breakpoint, everybody understand. See here. Now, for creating this breakpoint, the shortcut key is control plus shift plus B. Control shift B, right? Now everybody see here. What do you mean by breakpoint, sir? Breakpoint means starting point of the right now. Sir, what do you mean by breakpoint? It's the starting point of debugging. Debugging means where you want to start, at which place you want to start. That is known as what point, guys? Breakpoint. Now, how to create the breakpoint, guys? Control Shift B. Okay, if I don't create the breakpoint, this function F11 will work, guys? No. Without breakpoint, if I press function F11, what will be the result? Execution result. So for enable this function F11, I need a breakpoint now. Okay, now breakpoint shortcut is what, guys? Control Shift B. Now everybody see in the code, guys. Check out in the code. Now I want to start from this place. You can see here. I want to start from this place. Anything is there in this line? No. Let's go to this line and Control Shift B. You can see one point is created here. One point is created. Everybody concentrate. Control Shift B. Again I'm writing Control Shift B. One point is created or not? Yes. Can you able to see, guys? इससे ज्यादा मैं चांद पे ले जाऊं क्या तुम लोग? Tell me, is it there? Now, see here right now. Okay, sir, I'm very bad at remembering this breakpoint. Very bad at remembering the shortcut. Okay, go to this line, double. Go to this line, double click. Breakpoint created. Sir, how to remove? Double click. Right? Go to the cursor, double click. That's it. If you don't remember the things, remember this shortcut. Okay, great. Now, after that, see guys, everybody concentrate. We understood about the breakpoint. Without breakpoint, this debugging environment will be not going to execute. For enabling this, I need breakpoint. Breakpoint is a starting point of debugging or starting point of execution. Fine guys, we are done with the breakpoint. Now, after doing it, press again function. What is the use of function F11? Switch the environment from coding to debugging here. Right or not? Okay, now have we enabled the breakpoint? Yes. Now when I'm going to create it, you can see it is asking you about it, right? No. Just a minute. Control Shift V. Control Shift V. Function F11. Hey, bhai. Wait a minute, guys. Reset perspective. Yeah, let's see. Calm कर ले. Just a minute, guys. It's hanging. Okay. Let's see. Now everybody concentrate. Control Shift B. Right? Function F11. Just a minute, guys. I don't know what happened. Chalo, let's see. Everyone concentrate here. भाई क्या है यार? Just a minute, guys. Hold on. Clip's behavior is a little bit strange. Hold on, please silence. Let me check. What the hell? What happened? Let's. Everybody, please concentrate. Wait a minute, guys. Yeah, let's see, guys. Everyone, let's see. I don't know shortcut key. It will work in your laptop. Don't worry about it. Now you can see the environment switch is there. It's not about debugging. It's about why it's not working. I'm visualizing it. It's the same one. Now you can see it switch the environment here, guys. Which environment right now? Debugging. Sir, see the difference between debugging environment and all. Everybody concentrate. In the debugging environment, guys, we have one class. We have one class which we had created for execution flow. Now you can check out, guys, everyone. If I switch to again Java, sir, how to switch to debugging to coding platform? You can see there is one key. There is one icon here. This one beside the search one. Open perspective, right? You can click on this open perspective. When you click, it will show you go to the different mode. You can see what is there, guys? Java, right? Now you can click on Java, guys, and open it. Now you can see you will be back in the coding environment. So this is the difference between coding and debugging environment here, right? Okay. Now, right now you can see here. Let me reset the code. Windows perspective, reset perspective is there. Now it's reset. Okay, done. Great. Everybody concentrate here. Now again, let's go here. Right, let's go here. Control Shift B. Control Shift B. Function F11. Now it's working. See, function F11. Now it's working. Right. Now when we are going to switch it, you can see multiple classes are loaded or not. Yes. One time calculator, first time, second time again you are debugging or not. Yes. Now the issue is what? If you are going to, suppose you are done with the debugging, understand? Suppose you are done with the debugging and this side you are creating multiple classes. Every time you are debugging it. How many times the things class will be loaded? 10 times if you try to debug. How many classes will be loaded here? 10 or not? You will get 10 times. The issue is you will confuse now that I had opened 10 times the classes. Everybody understand? This visualization in your mind will be important. Now again I am switching from this place to this place. Everybody please concentrate here. Now again I am switching from debugging to coding. Right? And again I'm going to reset it. Everybody see here. I'm going to reset it. Reset means code will be reset everything. Now again I'm writing here Control Shift B, breakpoint, function F11, right? You can see it is asking me the debugging mode. Now we are going again. Now this time see how many time it is open? 3 times. Maybe the confusion will happen in which place or at what time you had done debugging. I mean to say, among these 3, you find out some mistake. Now you will be confused now that where is the mistake, in which particular debugging functionality I had found out the mistake. You will confuse or not? That's why every time remember, every time you switch from debugging to coding mode, always try to terminate and remove. Always try to terminate and remove. You can see right now only here. Yeah, just a minute. Terminate and remove. Yes. Now when you terminate it, see one gone. Again you have to write terminate and remove. Terminate and remove. Yes. You can see it's gone. Now again you are writing terminate and remove. Everybody understand? Terminate and remove. Then gone. Now you can see. Now next time when you are going to open, it will open the fresh things or not? Now you will exactly able to understand there I had done the changes, the confusion will be omitted. How after eating you are washing your plate, right? In the same manner, you have to clean the particular console after debugging, right? So we understood about these things. Let's go to the main perspective here. These things should be there in your mind, then you will understand, right? Let's start. Online people, are you understanding? Where is online people? Yeah. Online people, are you understanding? Yeah. Let's see, guys. So let's start the debugging, guys. Tell me. First step of debugging. First step of debugging. Function F11 na? Function F11 na? Then? So first step is what, guys? The first step of debugging is what? We should have to create the breakpoint. So first step is there. Everybody concentrate. First step is we have to create one breakpoint. Okay. How to create the breakpoint, guys? Any shortcut key you know? Okay. What is the breakpoint, guys? The place where we want to start the debugging, right or not? It could be any place. It could be any place. Your wish. Your wish. Now, everybody understand. How to create the breakpoint, guys? What is the shortcut key? Control Shift B. Control Shift B or not? Yes. Now, Control Shift B. Wake up. Control Shift B is there. Okay. Now, after Control Shift B, we have to go for what? Function? Function F11 will do what, guys? Function F11 will do what? Switch from coding to debugging environment. Okay, function F11. You can see right now we had switched from coding to debugging environment. Right? Okay. Now the next step, sir. What is the next step? Next step is right now how to go line by line. For going line by line, guys, everybody concentrate. For going line by line, everyone, please check out here. For going line by line, yeah, jump from one line to another line, you can see. Here, see. For going line by line, everybody concentrate here. First of all, और 15 console खोल जाओ. First of all, for going line by line, everybody concentrate. For going line by line code, we should have to work with one function which is known as step over. What is the name, guys? Step over. Step over. Step over means next step. You are in one step, take one step over. A simple language, take one step over means go forward. For this step over, the shortcut key is function plus F6. What is the shortcut key, guys? Function plus F6. Let's try it, guys. Everybody, let's try right now. Now, let's go to this one and let's go for the step by step. For going step by step, guys, everybody concentrate. For going step by step, what should you have to do? See here. Where we had create function F6. Is it going to the next line? Is it going to the next line, guys? Yes. You can see the execution result here. Okay. Now you can see right now, variables will be visible in this side. Variables will be visible in this side. Right now we are inside the main method. Main method have string of args. Yes. Now variable is visible inside this place. Now everybody see. Now I'm asking you the question. Now I have to go for next step. What I have to do? I have to go for next step. What I don't see the mobile यार. यहाँ भाई क्या सुबह mobile में लगे हुए हो यार. See here. Tell me first. What is the shortcut key? Function. What is the name of that shortcut key? Huh? Step over. Now function F6. We'll go for the next line. Okay. You can see execution result is showing in the console. Okay. I have to go for the next line. Function F6. Great. Function F6 is there. Can you see right now a variable is there? Okay. Variable, whatever the variable you will write, it will be visible here. Right? It will be visible here. Right? Okay. Let's see, guys. Now, I have to go for the next line, guys. Function F6. Right? You can see here. Function F6. I have to go for the next line, guys. Function F6. Don't tell function F6. The name is step over. Right? Step over. Now, you can see this one. Result is there. Now, result is 30 now. Okay. Now, suppose right now, we are in which place? We are in if condition. Now, right now, we can see answer is 30 equals to 25 false. But if there is a big conditions will be there, can you see and can you tell it is true or false? No, no. We cannot see or we cannot analyze it is true or false. That's why, everybody concentrate, that's why we have one shortcut key known as for checking, everybody understand, for checking the conditions, is it true or false? We have one false is there. We have one shortcut key known as inspect. Inspect, right? Now the inspect shortcut is control plus shift plus exactly I. Control shift I for checking the condition, guys, right? So let's apply this. Everybody concentrate. Let's apply this. Let's go to this place. For checking the condition, guys, you have to highlight the condition and then press Control Shift I. Can you see it is giving you the answer true or false here? Check out, guys. Highlight this one. Okay, highlighted. See here. Right now, highlighted this one. Okay, Control Shift I. Can you see it is giving you true or false? Yes. I mean to say, obviously it's false. But if the condition is very large, where it will take a lot time for me to visualize that condition. Is it true or false? We'll go for this shortcut, which is Control Shift I. What is the name of this shortcut, guys? Inspect. What is the name of shortcut? Inspect. Remember that, right? Okay, done. Now I had inspected condition is false. Condition is false right now. Okay, great. Now I have to go for the next line. For the next line, guys, what will happen? Is it going inside if condition or outside of if condition? So how to check? See, our execution flow is going with the terms or not? Is it going outside with it? Okay. Now my program completed, guys. Now my program completed. Do you want to check anything more? No. But you have to go extra 2 lines or not? But in online debugging, guys, we have to complete all the 44 lines now. But here my things are done. Here my things are done. Then, sir, we have a function. Everybody concentrate. Lots of things are there, guys. Now, we have the function right now, which is known as terminate. Yeah, terminate. Terminate is function plus. जनरली तो terminate उसमें करते नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ, function plus F7. I think F7 or F8. F7 is there, right? F7 is there. What is the name of this shortcut key, guys? Terminate. Okay, let's apply. Now, I'm going to this place. I'm going to this place and I'm going to terminate this application. Everybody concentrate. I'm going to terminate this application. For terminating this application, what is the shortcut key? Control function. No. Function F8 is there, guys. Because there is one more rule is there, right? Function F8 is there. I'm sorry for that. Function F8 is there, right? Function F8 is there for terminating. Now let's go, guys, here. Function F7 is for the same purpose, but let me tell you. Function F8 is there. Then when I click on function F8, guys, see the program is terminated or not? Yes. You can see the program is terminated. Program is terminated. Now we have to clean the plate or not? Let's clean the plate. जाओ क्लीन करो. Tell me how to clean it. कोई तो रीन बोल रहा है. Somebody is telling about रीन. I heard it. कौन है रे? रीन बोल रहा है. Somebody is telling about रीन. Surf Excel. Something like that. Stupid. Now, who's that? Like now, terminate and okay, terminate and remove. Terminated, done. Terminated, done. Now we have to switch from debugging to coding environment. A lot of things are there. It's just starting, guys. Hold on. Servlet program is also we are going to debug. Console based. It's a console based right now. Server debugging also we have to do. It's not easy. Hold on. Just understand. Right now we have to switch. Right? We have to switch. Java. Now we are done. Okay, great. Everybody concentrate. Now we are in the main phases. Fine, great. Let's see. Online people, where are you guys? Chalo. Let's see, guys. Everyone. अरे यार ना भाई, time नहीं है, चलना. चल भाई. Let's see, guys. Now we are done with all those things. Concentrate. I'm asking you for the revision purpose just for 2 minutes. Tell me fast. How to debug? What is the first step? Breakpoint. How to create the breakpoint? Control Shift B. Okay, without Control Shift B, debugging environment will enable. For enable debugging environment, what is the control? What is the shortcut? Function. Function. Exactly. In some laptop, maybe the function will not work. Then Alt F11. In some laptop, if Alt 11 also will not work, directly F11. Right? Based on the things. I think Ubuntu, something like that, have different things. Right? Let's see. Okay, let's see, guys. Okay. Tell me first. Control Shift B is there. Control Shift B is there. Then next function, next step is what, guys? I have to debug now. How to debug? Function F11 first. Function F11 is there. Okay, we are in the debugging phase. Great. Right? Okay, how to go line by line? Function F6. Perfect. Function line by line. Function F6. Line by line. Function F6. What is the name of function F6? Perfect. Function this one. Now I have to inspect, guys. What is the shortcut key? Control Shift. What is the name of Control Shift I? Inspect. Will inspect or not? Yes. My code done or not? Yes. Now I don't want to check the next line. How to terminate the program? Function F8. Perfect. Now after that, what is the step? Right click on that, terminate and remove. Perfect. And then we have to go for this one, right? And we have to reset Java and done. Now this is the simple debugging. Notes needed? I don't think so. It's in your mind right now. I will share you the notes, but I'm telling you about it. Now everybody concentrate. Now the scenario is, everybody concentrate here. Now the scenario is, these functionalities which I'm writing is not inside the main method, inside the method. Public void, everybody see public void, add method is there. Public void, add method is there. It's inside the method right now. Not inside the main method. Okay, let's start. Chalo, first. How to debug? Chalo, Control Shift B. Control Shift B. Next function. Change the environment. Function F11. Great. Function F11 is there. Okay. Switch to the debugging mode. Yes, I have switched to the debugging mode. Everybody understand? Okay. Arey bhai, nahi yaar. Wait a minute, guys. Function F8 is there. Terminate and remove. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. Terminate and remove. Right. Java. And done. Okay. Let's see. Now, I'm creating this method as what, guys? Static. Right? Static. And I'm writing here the name of the method here, calculator dot, which one, guys? Add. Okay, done. Now let's debug it. Now I will go for this place, Control Shift B, right? Control Shift B, function F11 is there. Okay, debugging mode started and completed, guys. Now I have to go for the next line. Now for the next line, tell me. For the next line, tell me. Function F6. Okay, now I have to go for the next line. Function F6. Now I have to go inside the method now. Well, I go to the next line. Function F6. If I press function F6, it will go outside the method. That's why it is known as step over. Over bridge. Right? It will not go inside function. It will step over that. That's why the name is what, guys? Step over. Are you understanding? Okay. Now terminate the program. Function F8. Terminated. Everybody understand? Then, sir, how to go inside any method? Right? Everybody concentrate here. How to go inside any method? Now, everybody, please watch it. Reset the perspective. Done. Right? Now, let's go to the place. For reaching inside any method, any constructor, right? There is one shortcut key known as step into. Step into. The shortcut key is function plus F5. Function plus F5. Function plus F6 is known as step over. Why it is known as step over? Because it will not go inside the method. It will go over the method. It will go line by line. For line by line, we are using what, guys? Step over. For reaching any constructor, any method, we are using what? Step into. Okay, step into is there. Now let's try, guys, step into here. Right? Let's try step into here. Back. Chalo, let's see. Let's see, guys, everyone. Now, Control Shift B, function F11, everybody concentrate. Function F11. Right now, switch to the environment. Now, let's start, guys. Let's start. Right now, I have to go. Everybody concentrate. Now, I'm asking you here. If I write function F5 here, what will happen? चलो बाद में ये चीज पूछूंगा. Let's hold this question in your mind. Let's hold the question in your mind. Let's go. Okay. Let's stick in the point. Right now I have to go line by line. For line by line, what we have to use, guys? What is the name? Step over. What is the shortcut key? Function F6. Again, I have to go for the next line. What is that? Step over. What is the shortcut key? Function F6. Now I have to go for the next line. We have to go for the method now. That's why the shortcut key is function F5. The name is step into. Step into. We are inside the method. Now everybody understand. Now I have to go line by line inside the method now. So again for line by line, what is that, guys? Step over. You can see. Yeah. यहाँ debugging नहीं हो रहा है. Watching my face. Chalo, I have to go for the next line. Next line, tell me. Function F6. Next line. Huh? F6. Now it's a condition. What you will do? Inspect. For inspecting, we have to highlight, control shift. Condition is false or not? Okay. Now my logic is completed or not? Now I don't want to check any other things. I want to go back. My work is completed. I want to go back. My work is completed. That's why everybody concentrate here. That's why we have one function for stepping out from the method or any function, right? Stepping not, right? There is a shortcut key known as step return, which is function plus F7. Function plus F7. When we are going to apply function plus F7, guys, tell me when we are going to apply. When my logic is completed. Right now, I don't want to check more method. Maybe the 10,000 more lines code are there inside the method, but I don't want to check it. My work is that many. Then I will step return. For step return, what is the shortcut key, guys? Function F7. You can see I had written with my main method now. I return with my main method now. Okay. Now my program, I don't want to check more also. I can terminate my program or not. What is the name? Terminate. What is the shortcut key? Function F8. Terminated, guys, and done. Right? Terminate and remove. Right? Let's go to this place. Let's go to this place and chalo, let's start. So let's start from the starting. I don't feel bored. But you know, one batsman will do what? As a batsman, what I'm thinking about the thing. Coach is giving bouncers for 1,000 times for 5 to 10 days. One day what happened? I was playing for my particular, I had played for my district Dhanbad. I'm from, particularly my hometown is from Dhanbad. Right, I had played it there. So, like continuously for 3-4 matches, I got out in the bouncers. They dropped me. Because 3-4 match will be, they dropped me. 1 week, 8 days, my coach had literally given me 10,000, or you can say that more than that, ball for bouncer only. He had not given a single ball to hit or place, like single. He had given me the ball in this place only. And that's what happened, you know. After 20 and 25 days, luckily I got a chance. And after 10 or 12 ball when I played, I got bouncers. And trust me, guys, I hit 6-2 back to back on the different bouncer ball. And I am getting shocked that how. It's because of this. That's same thing I'm applying with you. Continuous practice, continuous repeated thing will make you habituate. And this is the key point only, guys. I'm not relating the concept with the theories. No, with your real-time experience. So let's start. Tell me, guys. Now, I'm not going to tell, you will tell me. Now, I have to debug. This is the program. Analyze it. Now, I'm going to tell me. Now, see, guys, everybody. Right? Let's see. Tell me. Online people also, parallelly, I will see. Yeah. Tell me, guys. Control Shift. What is the name? Perfect. Control Shift B, breakpoint is there. Jana bhai. Control Shift B is there. Right? And then after that, we have to switch to debugging environment, right? Tell me, fast. Function F11. Perfect, guys. Okay. Perfect. Now I have to go for the next. Huh? Okay, step up. Nice. Step over. Function F6. Step. Perfect. Yep. Nice. Step over. Step. Okay. What is that? Done. Work done. Suppose work done. अरे it's work done means तुम लोग मत करना ऐसा, right? There is more functionality will be there. I'm telling you to suppose it. It's not like suppose if I have a 10 functionality, after reading one only work done. Arre work done is not. I'm supposing you that suppose the work is completed. Now I have to go back. Step. Return. What is the shortcut key? Function F7. Return. I don't want to execute more. Function F8. Function F8. Okay. Function F8. Terminate. Function F8. Okay. Now I'm asking you, what will happen if I press function F5 here? Perfect. 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 Can you tell me what is this one? What is this one? Hey, yaar, what is this one? Method, na? What is this one? Reference, na? And what is this one? Class, right? So this right now, you can see when I'm going to press F5 here, guys, F5 here, you will go inside the println method. Right? You can go inside the println method. Println method of what type, guys? String type. Okay. We can go step by step here also. Function F6. Function F6. Step by step. My work completed. I had checked. I have to go back to my programming. Then step return. What is the step return? Function done. So you can go line by line for any predefined code, any user defined code in that manner. And after that, what is that? Function F8. Done, guys. Everybody concentrate. Done. Terminate and remove. For yaar. Time to ऐसे बीतता है ना. Right now, just I had seen 8.5 is there now. 8.20. Chalo, let's see, guys. Fast. Logic class. Everybody concentrate. Logic class is there. Logic 01 class is there. And logic 01 class have something like int a equals to 10. Suppose here int b equals to okay, let it be. A is there and then B is there. I'm writing here. Everybody concentrate. And I'm writing here logic 1. Right? Logic 1 is there. Logic, अरे भाई आजा भाई. Logic 1 is there. मरेगा मेरे हाथ से तो. Alt Shift S. Constructor using fields. Everybody concentrate. क्या है? क्यों इतना गुस्सा? Right? Public void. And what is that? Calculate is there. Calculate. And then I'm writing here what, guys? Int A. No, not int A. Anything. Let's write here. Everybody concentrate here, please. Now I'm writing here sys out of A plus B. Okay, this is one of the class where some logic operation is performing. Now let's create a class, guys. Logic 1 execution. Concentrate, guys. Logic 1 execution. Logic 1 execution. Execution is there. Which have the main method. Everybody concentrate. Which have the main method. Logic 1 execution. Which have the main method. Now I'm creating here logic 1. Everybody concentrate. Logic 1. Logic equals to new logic 1 is there. And then I'm passing here 10 or 20. 10 or 20 will be there, guys. Great. 10 or 20 will be there. And here I'm going to write here sys out program started. Program started. And then I'm writing here sys out program ended. Concentrate, guys. Program ended. Okay. This is done. Okay. Where is online people? Yeah. They are there. Perfect. Now let's start the class, guys. Now tell me. Analyze it. The breakpoint. Where you want to create the breakpoint? Inside the execution place. Okay. Now I'm creating the breakpoint. Let's go. Control Shift B. Right? Breakpoint created. Function F11. Okay. Function F11. Right now, debugging started. Okay, perfect. Right now, you can see logic 1 classes. Remember this place. See this place, guys. Logic 1 is executed right now. Logic 1 is executed. Logic 1 execution is there. Concentrate. Logic 1 execution is there. Only one. Only one class right now. Okay. Now I have to go for the next line. Tell me for the next line. Function F6. Step over. Okay. We'll go for the next line. Right now. I have to go for inside the constructor or not, guys? For going inside the constructor, what we have to do? Step into na function F5. You can see right now it will go and calling the constructor or not. Now see how many classes are loaded internally. Internally logic 1 have stack frame. Stack frame is there. Method area. Heap area. Java stack area. Now main method will execute in which area? Java stack area. Java stack area will create one Java stack frame or not? तुम लोग कर लो पहले. दोनों कर लो पहले बात. तुम्ही दोनों. Let's see. Now Java stack area is there, right? Now inside Java stack area main frame is created or not? Yes. From that main frame we are calling the constructor or not? You can see the logic 1 class is loaded or not? Okay. Now you can see I have to go line by line. Okay, tell me for going line by line, guys. Function F6. Line by line it is going. Now you can see here function F6. Now you can see here A is initialized with 10, B is initialized with 20. Okay, done. After that I have to return. From constructor only I have to return. F7. It is returned back to this place or not? When we had returned back, you can see the class right now removed or not? So when the class will be loaded? When you call the constructor or when you call the methods? Automatically any class will be loaded? No. Remember that, guys. Are you understanding? So with this inside the main method, the execution flow is simple. Inside the main method with main method with method in the same class, we have to write only step into, right? 2 classes will be there. We have to work with step into, right? I hope everybody is clear. Okay, let's start. Function F8. These things are simple. You can try by your own. Just I have to give you the idea. This is the only thing in core Java. Right? Let's see, guys. Everybody concentrate. Let's see. Now let's go for this one. Time is there. For 5 minutes, I'm going to give you one question. Sir, if you're thinking server debugging is something different, same. I will show you right now by creating one program. There is nothing else. The same thing. You had already learned debugging. Khatam bhai. Just you have to understand about where to write what. Okay, tell me. Last step. First step, breakpoint. Control Shift. Go ahead. Control Shift B. After that, function F11. Now I'm asking you the question. You should have to give me the reply. I have to go line by line code. I have to terminate the code. Function F8. I have to go inside the constructor. I have to go inside the any method. Name. I have to inspect. Control Shift. Perfect. Okay. I have to go back from the any method. Understood debugging? Khatam ho gaya, yahi hai. Right? Now let's test you. Should I? So the most common repeated interview question I'm asking you right now, which you had seen here also, as well as this is my one of the most favorite interview question. And if I'm taking the interview question, when somebody is asking about, if I'm asking the candidate about, tell me about JVM architecture, definitely I'm asking this question, right? Let's see, guys. The question is somewhat like, everybody concentrate. The question is somewhat like, public static, I'm giving you 2 minutes of time. Online people don't do chat GPT, right? Offline people don't take picture and put it in chat GPT, right? See here. Just analyze, just a simple program. इतना भी नहीं कर पाओगे तो फिर घर चले जाओ. Right? Let's see, guys. Static M1 is there. I'm writing here if condition. Fine. Let's see, guys. I'm writing here if condition. Int A is there. I hope you had seen because I had given the question to my peoples, to my buddies. All are there, right? I had given these questions that please ask them. I think you had seen that question somewhere. Okay. Let's see. Can I write return type in void? Can I write return in void? Perfect. Day one याद है तुम लोग को, हाँ? चलो, let's see. Right, return is there. Okay, perfect here. Now I'm writing here sys out of A, and I'm writing here M1 of A minus 1, and sys out of A is there, right? And I'm calling the main dot and M1 method, guys, with 5. This is the program. Tell me the answer. Just I'm giving you 2 minutes of time. Analyze it. Online people, analyze it. Don't do chat GPT. Be honest with yourself. अगर तुम chat GPT करके अभी okay fine. Do the chat GPT. I will ask you the answer of the flow. चलो इतना भी मैं खुला छूट दिया जा. Do the chat GPT. I will ask you. You will give me the answer, and I will ask you how. भाई इतना तो दे रहा हूँ. मैं तुम्हें ब्रह्मास्त्र दे रहा हूँ. लो. Take the gun, shoot. चलो. Recursion, execution, recursion is there. But what is the result? Be honest with you. Guys, everyone. 0-4. Okay, fine. Great. Good, Sunita. 0-4. Okay, fine. Two minutes of time only I will give you. Because we don't have the time. 5-4. Okay, great. Answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, fine. Every answer accepted. Let me check the online people. Then I will ask with you guys also. All the online people. Guys. How many people are there? My God, 95 is there. Only few are replying. Please go ahead, guys. This is a simple one. 5-1. 5-4. Okay, fine. No issue. Accepted. Your answer accepted. 5-4. Last. Anybody, what's your answer, guys? By seeing this program, what do you think? What's your answer, buddy? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, fine. Everybody, no. Hey, bhai, out of concept. Who's that? Chandra Kriti. No answer. Bhai. Shall we run the program, guys? You are done with your execution? Okay, let me run the program, guys, right? Let me run the program. क्या हो रहा है? That's why this is one of my favorite interview questions. The people who are tell something about Java JVM architecture area. So we have a heap area, we have a stack area, we have method area. Okay, great. Where you are storing the object? Heap area. And where you are executing? Java stack area. Okay, Java stack area. Fine. I will give you one question. Can you solve? Sure. That's why don't show attitude in front of interviewer. नहीं तो ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन आएगा. These are my brahmastra. I'm putting on that candidate who are thinking, oh, is very over smart. I have experience of microservices and all those. आओ तुमको गूगली में फंसाता हूँ मैं. आओ तुम्हारी माइक्रो सर्विसेज को देखता हूँ मैं कहाँ है. Now, sir, how it is going to be work out? Shall we start working on it, guys? Okay. For this, we are going to use which one? Debugging. Right or not? Okay. Hold on, guys. Let's see, guys. This is very important one. Let's start with the debugging, guys. So, Control Shift P is there. Control Shift B is there. Okay, then I'm writing it here as function F11. Function F11 is there. Everybody see here, guys. Function F11 is there. Now let's go to the debug mode, guys. Everybody concentrate. Now hold on. Very important one. This one. Okay. Let's see right now which method is loaded, guys. In which area it is loaded? Java stack area. Java stack area or not? Okay, perfect. Now I have to go inside the method. What is the key, guys? Step over or step into? Step into F5 or F6? F5. We are inside the main method. One main method is loaded or not? Now this main method value is how much, guys? Perfect. 5 is there, right or not? Okay. Now it is going here. This is condition or not? Okay. So we have to inspect or not? Control Shift I. Answer is false. Okay. Now false means I have to, now the next step is there or not? The next step for going next step, what is the key? Step over, step into. Step over means F6 or F5. F6 means it is going to this place or not? Okay, when it is going to this place, guys, right now, the first answer, next line F6. Now, the first answer you are going to get as 5 or not? Okay, now M1 of A minus 1. A is right now how much, guys? 5. Means again recursion will be called with 5 plus 1 how much, guys? 4. 4 means again I have to go inside the method now. For going inside the method, what is the key? Step into. Again we are inside the method or not? Now what is the value, guys? 4. How many methods are loaded, guys? 2. M1 with 5, M1 with 4. Right? Again we are going here. Condition checking here. Condition is true or false? False. Again F6 is there. Let's go here. Right. Now A value is how much, guys? 4. That's why when we'll go for the next line, function F6, you can see answer you are getting 4 or not? Yes. Perfect. Now again the recursion is calling. A value is how much? 4. 4 minus 1 is how much? 3. 3 is there or not? Yes. Now I am writing here function F5. Function F5. Now again it will go inside the method or not? Now it will go for which value, guys? 3. And how many method will be called? How many method will be called? 3 method. M1 with 5, 4, 3. Okay, condition is false now? Yes. Let's go function F6. Right? Function F6. Function F6. 3 will be printed or not? Yes. Now again the method will be called. A value is how much? 3. 3 minus 1. 2. M1 again with call with which value, guys? 2 now. Function F5. Again it will go for A equals to 0. A value is how much? 2. The method is loaded in the stack. What? 2. 4 time. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Now condition is false right now. F6 is there. F6. Okay. Right now if I go here, check out. If I go for next line F6, 2 will be printed or not? Yes. Now again we are going to check. A value is how much? 2. Now the M1 method will call with how much, guys? 2 minus 1. How much? 1. Right? Function F5 I am pressing it. Again right now A is 1. Again the method will call with one more time now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? Okay. Now the condition is still false. Okay, function F6 is there. We'll go for the next line. Function F6 is there. We'll go for the next line. One answer is there or not? Okay, now the A value is how much, guys? 1. Now 1 minus 1, 0. Again the method will call with 0 or not? So function F5. You can see again one more method is calling with 0 or not? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Now the condition is true or false, guys? So check out the condition is true or false. Control Shift I. The condition is true or not? The condition true means it will go return or not? Now it will go return means when I write F5, you can see right now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5 method is there or not? Okay, return means it is telling you to go back. This return meaning is cursor go back to calling place. शाम में जिम जाओ और ठीक से सो. Right? If you are doing gym, you are doing it. I hope. Right? इसीलिए इतना थक जाते हो. Don't worry about it. Take the proper rest. थोड़ा workout कम करो. Seriously, I'm telling you. थोड़ा workout कम करो. If you are learning after getting job, beast बन जाना. But अभी थोड़ा workout कम करो. तो थोड़ा इधर रहेगा. चलो, let's see guys. Generally, the people who are doing gym, please do less workout right now because you are studying. Mind and body should not be go parallel. Rest nahi milega, right? Now let's see guys, everybody. Return is there. Everybody concentrate. Return is there. Now return will do what? Return will tell you to go back to the calling place now. Okay, hold on. Let's see guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. When I go for the next one, everybody concentrate. When I click on F6, it will go back to the main method now? No, sir. How many time you had called? 5 time. That many time should be deducted or not? Arey yaar, 5 time you enter, 5 door is there, 5 first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, fifth floor, sixth floor. Now from the sixth floor you will jump. Tom Cruise समझ रहे हो क्या? What you will go? Again you will go for the fifth, fourth, third, 2, 1 na? In the same manner also when return means right now, when you are going to return, everybody see, function F6, one method is gone or not? One method is gone or not? Yes means right now, see the A value is how much guys? 1. Now it is trying to return back. But again it is stuck inside there because 5 time you had called. That's why when you are going for F6, everybody see here, when I'm going for F6, right? It is going for the next line, for going back. But when I'm pressing the F6, you can see one more function will go on or not. As a result, you are getting the answer as 1 or not again. Because M1 with 1 will go back. M1 with 1 is going back. Again the next it is reaching here. Now which method will go? M1 with 2 is going back now. M1 with 2 is going back. Now F6 is there. Now you can see guys, M1 with this one. Right now it is in last point. Now it is trying to go back, but it is telling, array, go in third floor first of all. Then M1 of 2 is going back. As a result, you are getting the answer 2 or not. Okay, again when you are going to get back, everybody see here, again you are going to get back, here everybody concentrate, function F6, one more method remove or not? Now M1 with 3 is going back or not? Now when you go function F6, 3 will be printed or not? Right, again M1 with how many value? You can see M1 of 3 is going back now. Again now M1 of 4 is going back. Everybody concentrate, right? Function F6, gone? Gone. A value is how much guys? 4. Okay, A value is 4 right now. Okay, again you can see right now if you are going to write function F6, you are going to get the answer 4, right or not? Yes. Now here everybody see, M1 of right now how much? 4 is there. Now when I'm pressing here F6, it is telling, array, take back the method with what? 5. Take back your method 5. Now okay, now when you are going back, function F6, right? You can see 5, you are getting the answer 5 or not? Yes. Now one more method. This method is called from where guys? From the main na? This method is called from the main na? Okay. Now I'm writing here what is function F6. Now main, it will the method which will call from the main method is gone or not? Now when we are going to write here F6, see, we are back in the main method or not? So this is the proof. When the method execution completed, it will destroy from the stack frame. The interviewer will ask you that can you prove me that method destruction will be happen after the method completion? Yes, sir. We can do it by using debugging. We can do it as a debugging. I will show you the debugging, that how method will be called and how method will be destroyed. Now you can see, is the main method is also going to destroy guys? No. He is Aswathama, right? Is it going to destroy? Obviously, yeah, its work also completed, na? So when I'm writing here function F6, so see here, it's gone or not? It's gone or not? Yes. Now let's see. Terminate and remove. Terminate and remove is there. Great, done. Okay, this is which debugging guys? Console based. Any application you can debug which is console based. Sir, then what about server based? Let's see guys. For 5 minutes. भूख लगा? नाश्ता है? नहीं? पढ़ाऊं? See. Chalo, let's see. I already have the program. We had created the program one day. I hope I remember. Just a minute, guys. Yeah. Program is there. Fine, chalo, तुम लोग नाश्ता कर लोगे अब चलो. Because I don't have to create it. First of all, see guys, right now, everybody concentrate here. Last 10 minutes, only 10 minutes. Close all. Online people? Right? Everybody understood? Online people? Yeah, fine. Let's see guys. Now, everybody concentrate. Now we have a servlet program, guys, where we are taking the input from the user. Input from the user means what? There is a servlet program where I'm taking the, okay, see here. Everybody know about the servlets? Everybody have the idea about the servlets? If you are forgetting it, my sincere request is please try to cope up the things as soon as possible, because in 10 to 15 days we will going to start, 15 not, max 20 days we are going to start Spring MVC. Right? In 20 days you can reach out to Spring MVC mode. Right? That's why please be alert with the these things. Otherwise MVC you will not understand. I'm telling you. Now you can see welcome file is there. What is the use of welcome file, guys? Okay. If you don't have the idea, let me tell you right now. Welcome file will do what? First of all, it will execute this page automatically. When the server will start, it will execute this page. Which page, guys? Input.html. Now, input.html is right now having the two things. It is taking the input from the user name. It is taking the input from the user what, guys? ID. The method type is post and the URL is what, guys? Detail. Now you can see if I open the servlet program right now, you can see I have a method, I have a class with the same URL now. Yes, sir. Now from the get parameter, I'm taking the input from the user or not? Yes. Which input is coming here? Name. And then ID is there coming or not? Yes. And then you are printing this ID. Okay. When I'm going to run this program, everybody see already the things are there. When I'm going to run this program, run on server, right click, next, right, finish. Right, when I'm going to run this program, you can see server started. Start ho jao bhai. Yeah, server started. You can see right now server started here. If I take here ABC 10 here, 10 here, then we are getting the result ABC and 10, something like that. Sir, how to debug this application? This is not console based, right? Same thing will be there, guys. How? Let's start. Now I have to debug. Everybody concentrate. I have to debug. What is the first thing? Breakpoint. Where you need breakpoint? In the particular place where the input from the user is coming now. Okay. Now see, guys, everybody see here. I'm creating the breakpoint, multiple breakpoint. Sir, can I create multiple breakpoint? Yes. Yes, you can create multiple breakpoint. You can see I'm creating here multiple breakpoint for each and every place. Then what will happen? This each and every line will execute from the fresh start. How it is working. Okay, done. Guys, done. Now, the next step is change the environment now. Function in server based application, we are not going to do this function F1. We are going to work in this manner. Right click on that. How you are running? Run on server now. Now we are going to do debug on server. Right? Not F11. F11 for console based, where you can see the things. Here F11. Everybody see here server. Now it is asking you start the Tomcat. Okay, yeah, start the Tomcat. Next. Okay, next. Finish. Yes, finish. Now everybody see here. Concentrate. Now restart. Yeah. See what it is asking you. See, guys. Difference in run as server, it is asking you, shall I run your application? And here it is asking you, the server is not running on in a debug mode right now. Now everybody see switch mode. Now everybody concentrate here. Now concentrate, guys. You can see by default constructor call and init method is calling or not. Huh? Internally constructor is there or not? Init method is there. Okay, now see. Sir, same result, na? Not same result. Not same result. See guys, everyone. When I'm going to write here name, ABC. Right? ABC here. Everybody concentrate. And when I'm going to write here ABC, see the lines of the code right now. Nothing is there. Everything. Everyone see here. Nothing is there inside this. But when I'm going to write here, ABC and 10, and I suppose 10, and I will submit, what will happen? It will print the answer, na? It will print the answer, na? Now when I'm going to submit it, guys, everybody see, I'm submitting it. Anything is working right now? No. Let's go to the Eclipse, guys. Everybody see. Let's go to the Eclipse. It is asking you, see, I'm in this line. Switch. So, in server based, we are creating breakpoint. After that, we are, instead of run on server, we are writing what? Debug on server. In debug on server, web page will be open. It will ask you to give the value. But after giving the value, if you try to submit, it will not give you the answer. It will tell you that, okay, I am here. Whatever, yeah, see guys, see this place. Before starting the application, request response and print writer will be copied or not? These all things are copied or not? Yes. Now we are in this place. Now tell me how to go back. I mean to say how to go next step. Function F6. See the value right now. See the value right now, guys. We had read that value inside the console, na? I mean to say, inside the browser or not? ABC? Inside the browser, we had written ABC. Some same value is coming here. Right? Okay, I have to go for the next step, guys. Tell me the next line. Okay, next line, tell me. Huh? Okay, suppose if I do F5, what will happen? It will go inside the parse int method, na? Okay, now I'm writing here F6 here. F6 here, suppose. It will go for the next line. You can see ID is 10, na? Which we had read it in browser. Okay, now I want to go inside this method. Function F5. Can we go? Yes. Now I want to go back to my calling process. Function F7. See? Function F7. Source found? Arey yaar, this is server based application. How the source will be there with you? Right? Now function F7. Right? Function F7. Function F7. We are back. Okay. Now see. Function F6. Function F6 is there. Now you can check. Go to the browser here. Anything? Again, it is showing you the same thing here. Last. Is any result is printed now? No, not yet. Let's go to the Eclipse. Right now. And in the Eclipse, guys, what we have to do here, see, function F6. Anything is there? No. Shall we terminate the program? Terminate program means function. When you terminate the program function F8, go to the console here, guys. Go to the console and check. You will get the, right now, when you are going to get the answer as submit. When you click on, just a minute. Function F6. Okay, function F6. Yeah. And for getting the answer, terminating the function F8, for getting the answer of the console, function F9 or F8 something will be there. क्या भाई क्या फिर मरने लगे? Right? Okay. Just a minute, guys. क्या हो गया? Function F7. I don't know. चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. Let's see guys, everyone. Now what will happen? In that way only you can work. In that way only you can perform the operation. I hope everybody is clear. Okay, now tell me. First of all, we have to create breakpoint. After that, function F11. Next, tell me the next one. For step over, function F6. Step into function F5. Inspect, Control Shift I. Returning from the method. Terminating the program. in server-based application, F11 or run as debug. Perfect. You had understood the debugging, guys. Go and practice. Thank you, everyone. We'll start the JDBC from tomorrow. Thank you, everyone.